Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go click that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bells so you know when I post a new video. So as you can see, I'm here with my sister. She's been on my channel before. She's back. If you haven't watched that video, we did the what's in my mouth challenge. Go watch that. It's very funny. Today, as you guys can tell by the title, we're going to be showing you how to make Thai iced tea. If you don't know what Thai iced tea is, it's pretty much...
Google it.
What?
Google it.
Google it, sure. But it's pretty much a tea from Thailand. It can be hot or iced. Hot, it would just be called Thai tea. Iced is called Thai iced tea, if you didn't know.
And it's like an orangey kind of color, and it's almost milky. So it's not like a regular tea, like green tea.
Yeah.
Or like, you can drink it regular if you don't add the milk to it, but it's
But pretty much Thai tea is milk, sugar, and tea. That's what it is.
And
yeah.
like milk, evaporated milk.
Condensed milk and evaporated milk.
Because when you add the Thai iced tea itself is a regular like blackish dark red color, almost like a black tea. But when you add the milk to it, it turns orange. So that's what makes it look Thai tea.
As you can see, she knows more about Thai tea than me. So pretty much she's gonna be teaching me as well how to make Thai tea today.
I'm not an expert. You can probably get better at the restaurant, but I wanted to try it myself. And we actually wound up buying Thai iced tea. This is the packet from
Amazon. We'll add the link down below in the description box so you guys can all purchase it whenever you want.
Yes. And I did some research, and this was honestly the best Thai iced tea that they said was more authentic. It actually came in, I have another pack too. 2 packets. It came in a 2-pack, so it was like maybe, what, $11 on Amazon.
And that's not bad at all.
And it's
for
loose.
2, and it's huge. The packets are huge.
It's loose tea, so it doesn't come in packets. I'm not sure if they come in packets, but this brand,
can't even pronounce it.
Thai tea.
It's obviously Thai.
It's a product of Thailand, Cha Tra Mew brand. This is the brand. And this is what they said was the most authentic, and it tastes pretty good. So
pretty much right now we have, I don't know if you could see, but right now we have 5 cups of water boiling, and we're going to add the Thai tea inside of the water so it could brew up a little bit. And then we have, this is the carnation milk that we used.
Carnation milk is sweet.
Yeah, super sweet. So that's what kind of makes this tea sweeter. So pretty much we want to freeze it and keep it cool. We pretty much poked holes in the can and we put it inside of a bowl and we put it in the freezer. It's been in the freezer now for about 15 minutes, so we're ready to take it out. We're kind of just waiting for the water to boil. So right now we're pouring the Thai tea inside of the boiling water.
And I don't know how much I'm pouring,
we're eyeballing. Let it sit there, and we're gonna stir it here and there.
Add sugar, a little bit into it. I mean, it'll be sweet with the carnation milk, but it tastes better if you sweeten it. And we're also gonna use brown sugar to sweeten later.
Yes, but we're gonna put that in after. Right now,
in the water, I'm just gonna do.
And we're not measuring anything here. We're kind of just eyeballing. So if you want the right measurements, you kind of just look up. Yeah, look it up on Google. She said 2 tablespoons, so we'll go with 2 tablespoons. But we're gonna eyeball to our liking. And everything's to your liking, by the way. So if you like it sweet, obviously you're gonna add more sugar. If you don't, you're gonna hold back on the sugar.
It tastes better sweet, but I kind of think it's trying to be a little healthy, even though this is not healthy.
It's not really healthy, so.
Unless you drink it without the milk. Thai tea actually helps prevent.
It has a lot of health benefits.
Cancer.
Yes.
Any risks of cancer, anything like that. I mean, I can't guarantee, but that is what Thai tea is.
It has a lot of health benefits, so Thai tea is really good. Okay, so now we're going to strain the tea. It's called the tea leaves, I guess. We're gonna strain the tea leaves into another pot because you don't want to drink the tea leaves. It's very disgusting. So we just want the liquid that was brewing in it. And we're just gonna transfer it over with a strainer. and let it cool down, because like I said before, we're making Thai iced tea, so we want everything to be cold. So we're gonna put it in the fridge for about a half hour. Or what's best is to keep it in the fridge overnight, but we kind of want to drink it now, so we're gonna speed up the process a little bit. Okay, so pretty much everything is cooled. We put it in the fridge for a little bit. We just put everything in containers so it's easier to assemble into our cup. So first we're gonna start off by putting some ice in our glasses. I'm just gonna do 2 each. Do a few. Okay, and then I'm just gonna pour the Thai tea in the glasses. And then I'm going to pour the condensed milk. And you can add it to your liking, however much milk that you guys want in there. Look how pretty that looks. Thai tea looks like. So pretty, the color. Orange. Yeah, so pretty much this is how you make Thai iced tea. Cheers. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you thought this was easy. If you're new to my channel, go subscribe, hit that like button, and turn your post notification bells so you know when I post a new video. Thanks, Al, for coming on again. Appreciate you. So stay tuned for more videos.